Mr. Coffman, do you have an amendment at the desk?
I do, Mr.
Will
Chairman.
the clerk please distribute the amendment? Without objection, reading the amendment will be dispensed with. The chair now recognizes the gentleman from Colorado for the purpose of offering and explaining his amendment.
Thank you, Mr. Chairman. This amendment concerns the requirement that's been around for 17 years for the Pentagon to pass an audit, have auditable financials. Under this amendment, the failure to achieve a clean audit on the Department's statement of budgetary resources in 2015 will result in a requirement that the chief financial officers of the Department of Defense, the Army, the Navy, and the Air Force all have been required to have served at an agency that has received a clean audit opinion in order to be confirmed in that respective position. By 2018, what it does is it puts teeth into this requirement. Right now, there just aren't any sanctions, and by 2018, it essentially says if they can't pass, if they don't have auditable records by that time, then in fact they would have to. It defines what the requirements would be for a chief management officer in the Department of Defense, and then it would in fact move DFAS, Defense Finance and Accounting Service, over under the Department of the Treasury. The Department of the Treasury handles a lot of federal agencies of the federal government now. All the agencies that they do handle the accounts for all have auditable records. So it just merely provides a sanction or provides some teeth for that to occur. That provision was in the FY13 National Defense Authorization Act on the Senate side, and it did not stay in conference committee. But this has been an issue on the Senate side that's been championed by Senator Colburn, and they've certainly made progress. But when the Mr. McCord, who in his confirmation hearing,
Gentleman's time has expired.